Hello. Um, so I feel like sharing a song. Mm, the birds and trees inspired me to express myself in the way they express themselves. And and how like the birds are free and how the trees are present to everything in the present moment. And at peace, in a way, present to everything, to every moment, very present, not trying to go somewhere different or be a different tree. It just expresses itself very presently in what it is, or of what it is. And the birds are just so free, flying and singing and playing and dancing and expressing themselves freely, very freely, with such beautiful freedom. And they're really great teachers to be more expanded on freedom and peace. And of course, there's no limits to how much you can be free. There are no limits. And there are no limits to how much you can be present. And there are no limits on how much you can be at peace. It's infinitely vast. And that's beautiful. Because we can always be more at peace and more free and more expressive and more of everything that's beautiful. And this freedom and this expansiveness that is infinite, it works both ways. Since we're so free like that, we can express and experience all the spectrum of life, which of course includes the positives and the negatives, but that is a part of our freedom. And combining freedom and presence together is wonderful, because when you're present, you really don't have to go anywhere. You don't need to be something more, or be more, get more, or you don't need the word. There's no you and there's no more anymore. There's just the present moment, the infinitely expanded, eternal present moment that's not changing, it's not expanding, it's just infinitely eternal and infinite. So being present, we don't have to be anywhere, do anything, and just be in this present moment right now. And being present gives us such freedom in letting go of everything, and at the same time receiving all that is infinite and beautiful. And this is one of the beautiful ways to be more at peace, and without needing to be more at peace at the same time. There's no more, there's no needing for more anything. There's no need to control anything or to do anything. There's just the present. That is enough, because it contains infinite. It contains infinity. It's eternal. There's no rush. So yeah, let me express the song freely, either with harmony or disharmony. It doesn't really matter with this perspective, because this is freedom, just doing whatever and what feels right. Feel like a bird